Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video and another unboxing. This time we're unboxing something from Boldr, a company that's been well known and well established among watch enthusiasts, and although they have been releasing a lot of big chunky watches, they also do accommodate people with smaller wrists. So this is actually their newest release, the Venture Titanium. And the reason I'm very interested in this watch and why I agreed to review it is because of its size. So let's open this thing and see how it looks on my wrist, because I do like the design and I do like the size, but let's see it in person. So let's open the package. And here is the box. It's a simple cardboard box. Let's open it. Inside there's another, again, cardboard box. Let's remove this one. And now open to see the watch itself. Inside there's another pouch. This looked like a very simple packaging, but it's proving to be anything but simple. So let's unhook this and open the actual pouch. Inside you have the warranty card, some hang tags, and here is the watch. And it's really good. Look at that matte titanium case. It's very light. This is powered by the Seiko SNK805, which has hacking and hand winding, so it is automatic. It's not quartz, but it's pretty small. I believe the diameter is 38 millimeters and the thickness is about 14, which is a bit chunky, but because of these lugs and the case shape, the whole watch actually looks pretty cool and well balanced. I like the use of large hands and these simple numerals. I believe both the dots and the numerals are lumed, as well as the hands. And I'll probably include a lume shot so we can see it. The crystal is sapphire, as you would expect, and it comes with an AR coating. Now I don't know if the AR coating is on both sides or inner only. I will ask Boldr to answer that so that I can do a full review, because that is something I'm interested in. Now, since this is considered to be a field watch and, you know, something that we will wear when doing the rough stuff, I would wish for the AR coating to be inner only, as if you follow my channel, you know I'm against double-sided AR coatings. But we'll see that, and once I have that information, I will be doing the full review. Anyways, the last thing that we have to do is put it on my wrist, and I'm probably gonna show you the case back as well. But it seems like the case back is solid, which is very cool and very appropriate for this type of a watch. I'm glad they didn't go for an exhibition case back, although that seems to be the norm today. I really like their choice. Now, they did include this NATO, but if you follow my channel, you also know I'm really not a fan of NATOs, so I'll probably be putting this on a two-piece NATO. It does have drilled lugs, so changing the strap shouldn't be a problem. Now let's see the screw-in crown. The watch is 200-meter water resistant. It features hand winding, it features hacking, and it doesn't have a date function, which is actually cool. I like the simplicity and the symmetry of the dial. Now, let's put it on my wrist and see how it looks. I'm currently wearing my GW6900, so let's remove that and put the Boldr. And this is actually my first Boldr ever. And here it is. As you can see, the short lug to lug and the small diameter really makes this watch look really good on smaller wrists like mine. My wrist is about 6.7 inches, and I like the look of smaller watches because they make a wrist look more masculine. When you have a large watch that takes the whole wrist, the wrist kind of feels very feminine, like it's a girl's wrist, because the watch is very large. A small watch like this makes it look more manly, and I really like the proportions of this. Now, I really do not like the NATO strap, but that's just me. I never liked this bulge. I never liked the fact that it raises the watch even further, increasing its thickness. So it's just my preference. I really don't like NATO straps. I like two-piece NATOs or two-piece nylon straps. So like I said, I will be switching this to that. But overall, the watch is really, really nice, and it sits really comfortably. Anyways, that's it. So do stay tuned for a full review of this piece, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Until the next time, bye.